A trader flipped $3.3 thousand up to $313,000 in just 19 days. This is crazy money, and ex-user dealer.eth shows us how they made it happen. Watch until the end for how I plan to integrate this strategy into my trades. Let's discover crypto. These trades were insane, and they were all in meme coins. It's the Vegas casino of crypto where you either get rich or get wrecked, and there are only a few people who really know how to do it. This trader got in early, and I think the reason they were able to do this is they were watching live pairs for new coins, doing some easy research, and just simply buying early. Now, no one is sure, but this seems to be the most likely way this person was able to make a 1,000% gain in just over 2 weeks. So what happened? It started with a big buy, 6 billion FINE tokens on the second day of listing, making 5 purchases totaling about $30,000 that ended up netting him just under $149,000. This mega swing trade took about 7 days to make a huge profit. They sold and then bought another fine specimen of blockchain tech called Real Smurf Cat. This one they bought within its first hour of listing. It 3x'd 18K into well over $50,000. Real Smurf Cat went on to do another 150% move to the upside from there. But this trader had already moved on to greener pastures by then. This shows you don't have to time the exact top or even close. They then bought $8,000 worth of super and $15,000 worth of Curve Inu, plus a few extra random meme coin tokens. A few of them popped, while some of them went back down to the gutter they crawled out from. These are meme coins, so as always, the wins can occasionally be huge, but the mini losses are generally bigger. The token Curve Inu generated a 150% gain, while super or super market price, it fell flat. The action in meme coins is light right now, but there are gains to be made and of course heavy losses too. Now this trader is an outlier because it's almost all losses in S coins. The huge wins are the glory stories, but the losses can leave you reeling. So back to it. The rise of Pepe was the last mega meme coin pump, but coin groups are still out there pounding the pavement trying to find the next big win. Now this is not financial advice, you should know that already. I personally don't really trade meme coins unless the meme's power is just undeniable. Like I said, most people that buy meme coins at the very least get wrecked and the price goes down. Sometimes they even get honeypotted and can't sell once they buy, or even click the wrong approval and get their wallet drained of crypto and NFTs. It can happen, trust me. If you want to go to the crypto casino, many traders just go to dextools.io live new pairs tab. But rest assured, 99.9% of them are going to zero, so be careful. Trading new live pairs is like touching a live wire. It's basically paying the ETH gas fees to try your luck on a new token that just hit the Ethereum blockchain. Almost all of them are scams, but it is possible to find a good one that has an active community, committed devs, a website, and social channels in place to drive up the price. Looking at this wallet, I'm guessing that's how they turned 3,000 into 300,000. But the size of the bets is telling me they knew they picked coins that had a chance of winning. Whether that's from doing research or being part of a meme coin community is speculation, but live pairs is definitely the way to get in early. And again, in case I haven't driven this point home enough, it's also the way to get wrecked. So yeah, it's a mean world out there, but occasionally there is serious money to be made. Crypto is full of possibilities. Look, that's all I got for now. I'll see you at the top. Ooh, where's it, that one? I think, oh, click that one. Oh, that's the one. That's the one. This is the one you want. You see that? Oh, shit. We want that one. That's the one. That's the one right there.